Good morning and good afternoon. I'm getting a new intake. I was on YouTube looking at to modify a stock intake, and I seen some guy do this thing called the Swiss cheese method on his intake. And it's when you actually like drill holes into your stock intake.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I think it's possible to do it on the BMW. We're just gonna try. There's a new intake coming, so might as well. So it's pretty easy. Ow! It's pretty easy to take off your stock intake. You want to get your nice little, what is this, a T? This is your T20. You want to take off your mass flow sensor right here. I took off the air box. I took off the filter because what you basically want to do is, I'll show you guys when I get inside. And don't come at me at the comments for trying this out. But it shouldn't hurt the car because I'll show you guys why I think it'll work. Yep, just a tad bit loose. This is the cover right there, boom. Let's see, now how do we remove this? This is why I think it might work. It already has a hole, you know, where air flows. So I think me actually poking holes around this will actually work. It should work, hopefully. And if it doesn't, then there's a new intake on the way. But it's called the Swiss cheese method, and I think it will actually work. Pop this out. I got it. Okay, so before anybody comes at me, if this doesn't work and it throws a sensor, I will 100% let you guys know. If it does make a big difference, I will let you know 100%. But since your boy's getting a new intake, might as well just fuck around with the car. This is the way the intake sits, the intake box. So it basically sits like this in the car. This is the front of the car. This is where the air comes in, blah, blah, blah. You gotta measure your filter. And what you're basically gonna do is make as many holes from the bottom. Once the air goes in, let's say hypothetically there's like dust going in or anything, you know, the filter will catch it. That's what the filter is supposed to do. Since your boy's getting a new intake, it's not gonna hurt the car. The filter should be doing its job. This is a good filter. So don't come at me if it doesn't work or if it does work. So what we're gonna do is actually clean this because it is filthy. But you see that the filter actually works because there's debris in here and it should work. So enough talking. Let's actually clean this.
Few moments later.
We're gonna do a few holes. I am gonna do a, let's see, 3/8 and 5/8. All right, we're gonna do 3/8. All right, so you wanna get the drill. I know I don't have my camera set up and I hate that I did it, but this was a last minute idea and I should have waited, but I got a little bit too excited and might as well just start poking holes myself. So basically what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna pass this line because this is where the filter sits. So I'm actually gonna do like a few here, probably small ones here. I was thinking of doing the bottom. So there's no going back after this. Swiss cheese. All right, those are the holes. Not much. We're not gonna know until we put it on, but yeah, this actually should work, bro. I'm pretty excited to actually see if it makes a big difference. If it doesn't, then it was just a waste of my time. But it's nice and crispy, you know. Let's actually set this up real quick. Go actually test it out. Yep, you don't see none of that filter passing through. Could have went a little bit more up, but you know, it's better to play it safe than sorry. Make sure this all sits perfectly. Clips. So it looks something like that. It doesn't look bad to me. Let's go set this up real quick. Let me connect all of this back in. Bro, if it makes a difference, bro, I'm gonna be a little bit excited. Might as well just say even fuck the air intake. Nah, I can't do that. All right. Hold on, let's see. We actually might have to go for a drive. All right, we're gonna gonna put all the windows down. Yo, it actually sounds louder, bro. I don't see no lights coming on from the mass flow sensor. Feeling hot air. Car's fully warmed up. Do y'all hear that? All right, we're gonna put the car in Sport Plus this time. Yo, the fucking car feels like it's actually like pulling a little bit harder. What the actual? All right, let's put it in comfort. I think it sounds more in comfort. It's super weird, bro. I don't know how to explain it. It does sound a tad bit louder than stock for sure. 100% it does. But it's not like a, you know, you don't hear the turbo and anything, but it's literally louder. I know it probably wasn't a big difference. I think it does sound way better in comfort. It sounds a tad louder, bro. It's exactly like when you tune the car, because my car is on stage 1. Doing that to the intake makes it a tad louder. Same thing. I am getting a new intake, so that one's coming off in a few days or whenever the new intake comes in. So I'm not really mad about it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's a bunch of hoes. I don't really care. It's my car. I get to do whatever the hell I want to it. You know, this is probably a stupid idea, so don't do it. Don't do what I do. I just did it because I'm getting a new intake, so it don't really matter. I appreciate you guys for coming back. Make sure you subscribe, and you know, expect me to do more dumb shit like that before I change a new thing. Maybe I'll poke holes in the charge pipe. I don't know. Nah, don't do that. That is a stupid decision. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuce.